Hi everyone, welcome back. So I've been having some fun with Chantily lace lately and blue violet and also the peacock by Deco Art. The Chantily lace is by Prism, and so it's just so shiny. It gives so many sparkles that I'm really having fun with it and putting it in quite a few paintings here lately. So you may see it again if you watch another video of mine. So this is going to be a swipe on a black canvas, and I'm just using 3 colors in this. It's the peacock, the Chantily lace, and the blue violet color. So let's see how this works out. just love the way the Chantilly lace is sparkling throughout the whole painting. You can see it, the white on the edges, and it's mixed in with all the colors. And the peacock color is showing a lot, and there's just a hint of the blue violet, which is nice because it's not too much color there. And it looks like with the black, the Chantilly lace kind of merged in with the black and did some lacing and made it like a black and a pearl like color. So very happy with this one. Have a great day, everyone. Subscribe, like, comment, and share if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye-bye.